Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Christine, and I have been making 6 videos selling ebooks online. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to start selling ebooks. I will be showing you how to create an ebook from scratch, how to get it set up in your own online store, and how to market your products to actually get sales. And getting started, if you have some sort of knowledge or anything that you want to share, you should create an ebook around these topics and start making thousands of dollars monthly just by selling ebooks on different topics. So if you have knowledge that you want to share and get it monetized, then you should start doing this today. So take a look at this example ebook that I made here. I'm going to show you exactly how to create it. And what I am about to share today is information that some persons pay thousands of dollars for, but it's all free here. And all I ask in return for this free tutorial is to just hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can continue to create free video tutorials just like this. So let's get right into today's tutorial. Now, the first thing that you're going to need is a Canva account, which is free to sign up, and you don't even have to pay for a pro account or anything like that. I use a free one too. So let's go to canva.com, go to the search box here and type in ebook, then just click enter on your keyboard. As you can see here, it pulled up a bunch of different templates that we can use. So I'm just going to scroll through here and look for the best one. That's super simple, and it goes along with the subject of my ebook. Now you can see here, whenever there's like a little crown icon on the actual templates, that just means that you do have to pay for those, but we will stick to the free ones, okay? There's tons of free good ones, so we're going to find a free one to use. So this one is super simple. I think it's nicely laid out. There's also another one here. I think this is also nice and well laid out. It doesn't matter if your topic is completely different from the template. What matters is the template format. So let's go ahead and click on this one and just click customize this template. So it's going to then bring you to this page. And there are actually even more free templates here. Here on the left-hand side, so just out of curiosity, let's just try out one of these and see if it looks better. I see that this one comes with more pages, so I am actually liking this one better. Now, it's better to go with templates with enough pages. This will make your work much easier. So I'm just going to click on this one, and then I'm just going to click on the Apply All button. Now we have all the pages applied to this template. As you can see, it's laid out here really nicely. So all you have to do is start with the front matter. Now the front matter is pages such as forward, dedication, table of contents, title, acknowledgement, and all. But you don't necessarily have to add all the front matters. Just about 4 pages will do. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go through this template and swap everything out to our own ebook. And to begin, for example, I always like to start editing the front matter page. I will assume you have your content ready, but if you don't, there are 3 ways to get it. I am talking about your ebook content. So the first way to get your ebook done is by writing it all by yourself, with or without an AI writing assistant, such as ChatGPT, Simplified.ai, and the like. The second is outsourcing it to professionals. Though this can be a bit pricey, but be sure that you will get something really professional and is definitely going to be worth it. The last, which is the third, is using a PLR ebook, which is mostly free. There are some websites that give you access to people's ebooks, and it gives you the right to use the ebook whichever way you want. No copyright, it's white label, commercial free. This implies that the authors gives you the full right to own their full books. You wouldn't even need to acknowledge the author because you already own it. So whatever profit you are making off the ebook is totally yours. And if you think about it deeply, this is a very great business idea. So to continue with the ebook, you can change the format, change the interior, the color, the font style, so that you can be unique. And also replace the images too. Obviously, most persons prefer to be faceless. And when you sell ebooks, you can totally be faceless. So I'm just going to change this picture with a picture that matches what we want. So you can either upload files or pictures of yourself, like professional pictures of yourself, or you click on this tab, go to search elements, and now type in what you want to see. And for us, it's girl working on laptop, and you can see that there's a bunch of free graphics here that you can use, so feel free to use these free graphics, but ensure that they are matching images. I mean, if a page is talking about, let's say, weight loss, your image should relate to a weight loss kind of image such as this. I hope you get the idea. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with this cover. I'm going to change the text to our book title by using the text feature. I am also going to change the color using this color box and font style as well as to my preference. And for our title, it's How to Build an Online Business. So I thought to show you guys what you can do in a situation where you want an image and only see paid ones. I mean, the images you want are not giving for free, which can be very limiting. So here is what you can do. It's just a simple hack. Go to Google and you're just going to type in pixabay.com, then just click. It brings you up to the website. Here you now have access to a bunch of stock-free images. These are non-copyrighted images that you can use. We're just going to click on the image we want, then click on the download button to have it downloaded to our device, and that's it. So this is a walkthrough on how to download free images using Pixabay. And feel free to use the search bar to get any image that you want. Now, back to Canva. And the good news is, with the new Canva interface, it has become much easier to design ebooks, okay? So I'm not going to make you guys watch this entire part because it's basically all of those same little effects and changes that I just use for the cover. It's really the same skill. And the fact is, I didn't even know how to use Canva when I first started using it. I learned from scratch, just like you guys are, so if it's feeling a little intimidating, at first it's totally normal. Just get used to these features, which are pretty basic, and you will be fine. So just remember, I'm just going to speed through this part and do the rest of the pages, okay? So this is our finished ebook. I think it looks really awesome, and because I already have the information set aside, this made it a lot easier to create. I think this is looking really good, and now we have it ready to sell. Just see how things are actually so much simpler than you probably thought they were to create. So here's how we're going to save this ebook, which is very important. So we are going to just click on Share on the upper right-hand side, and then we are going to click on the Download button, then click where it says PNG, and we are changing this to PDF standard. So click on PDF standard, and then you're going to see all pages are downloaded in one file. So just click on download. It usually saves really quick. And now it's downloaded to your computer. And now we are just 2 steps away from making money with our ebook. But before we opt for the next step, it is ideal to imagine what your ebook listing page will look like, and I will show you exactly what I mean by that. So this literally takes about 2 minutes or thereabout, and we're also going to do this right on Canva, all for free, okay? So go back to canva.com, and we are just going to type in ebook mockup. This is going to bring up tons of templates that we can use, and there are lots of free ones. So let's look for one that is free and looks really nice, okay? I think this one looks great because it shows the front cover and interior, and I just love how it's put together. So let's click on this one, and if you look closely, you have more free templates to choose from, but we are good with this. So then just click Customize this template to proceed. So now we will run through this using the same exact skills for the interior page, which was changing the colors, text style, title name, and all of that. But first, I will need to ungroup these images so I can edit them separately. So first, we are going to grab our interior pages and cover to fill up this template. So we need about 5 pages, right? All you have to do is click on the share button, then the download button, and choose PNG because we want it in an image format. So we are going to choose the page we want, which is about 5, okay? And that's it. Then you download it, and it will come in as a zip file. You will need to locate the file on your device and extract it. And once you are done, upload it to Canva. And with just a click, you will have the image on the mockup template. Easy peasy, right? Now, the next thing is we are just going to switch up the wording to our book title, and there you go. And also work on the color to align with the book's interior. Remember, our interior page is quite colorful, right? So we will stick with the brand colors. And all I have to do is use the pick a color feature to choose my preferred color from the interior, and that's it. Now download it in PNG format because we need it as an image to design our product page. And there you go. So now that you have designed and created your ebook, it's time to get it out there so you can start promoting it and getting sales. I personally recommend having your own website that you have complete control over. A lot of people's first thoughts are Etsy and Amazon, but I recommend having a personal website if you intend to make a good profit selling digital products. And you can even own a website all for free with no hidden fees or charges, okay? Now head over to the browser and type in beacon.ai and you will be brought here. Alternatively, if you look at the description box down below, there will be a link for beacon.ai that you guys can use. And once you're there, it will bring you to this page. So beacon.ai is an all-in-one marketing platform, and you can use this platform for your landing pages, online courses, email marketing, and all of this, all for free. And here it says, everything you need to build a business in one place, no code or design team needed. Do it all from your AI-powered link in bio. And you know what? I'm so excited to show you how this works because the fact that we can all own and build a website for free. And not only is this the most affordable one that you can actually host digital products on, but it also provides the most features used for selling digital products. These are all the different plans that they have here. The free plan is ideal, but as you start to grow, you can upgrade to the pro plan. And even with the free plan, you get as many features as the paid plan, okay? So to get started, all you have to do is sign up for an account. And once you click on the sign up for free button, you will be brought up here. And this will be a step-by-step guide to getting started with beacons. So ensure you don't miss any of the steps because these are the information that will be used to build up your online store. In this section, you are required to input your social media handle, which is an option, and I will speed up the process. And there we go. Here, you are to upload a photo, and this could be your brand logo, avatar, or even a picture of you. Adjust your fit and proceed. Remember, Beacons is a link in bio platform, right? So this is what your link page or profile page will potentially look like. So feel free to change the profile color to your brand color or a matching color. Alternatively, just go with the default color. So I think this aligns with my brand color and that's it. So on this page, you will be asked some questions about your business and intentions. Just follow through and be sincere with your answers. These are just a few mentioned things you can do on Beacons. So click on yes, all of the above to proceed to the dashboard, and then you will be brought up to this interface. So the next thing you would want to do right now is it's setting up your store. So you click on store and you click over here where it says get started to proceed. I'm just going to scroll down and click on digital products, but in case you have a product somewhere else and you want to import it, you can always use this feature, okay? But since we are creating our product from scratch, then we're going to click on create digital product. And once you do, you will be brought up to this interface saying introducing the page builder, and that's it. So customizing your product page is all about drag and drop, which you can do in less than 5 minutes. So first thing first is changing the product title. All you need to do is click on this icon, then paste in your book title, which is the Ultimate Online Business Guidebook. So the next thing we want to do is upload the ebook cover design we made on Canva, okay? So click on this image, then it will open up a dialog box for you. Now click on add image and upload it. We're just going to go with a 1x1 dimension and that's it, okay? And you click on the accept button and now you have it here. You can see how easy it is and how pretty the book cover design is sitting. I'm going to take off this other image to avoid confusion. Next is working on the price. I'm just going to click on this icon here so that we can edit our pricing. it is $5, but we're going to change it to $10, and there you go. Here is where you get to change your currency. You can choose your preferred options if you want, euro, Canadian dollars, and all of that. So you just choose whichever you want, but I'm going to stick with the USD, okay? You can actually mark it as sales if you want. This is another way to promote your ebook by creating a sense of urgency for the buyer. And the next thing we want to do is upload our digital products. That's the ebook itself. So we're going to click on Products Files and upload the ebook we designed on Canva, or whichever way you get yours is absolutely fine. Just upload your ebook and that's it. It's as simple as ABC, so you can see how easy and good looking it is, right? So we are left with the book description, and feel free to try out all of the features. So I'm just going to click on description, and then I'm going to use the AI feature to help us out with our description. So I'm just going to input what our ebook is all about, okay? And once I do, the AI will generate something very interesting and catchy. Now we have an AI-generated description. I advise you to read through it and make any adjustments if you need to. And it's okay to come up with your own description if you can. Now, can you see how easy it is to create a landing page for your ebook at no cost? Well, here are the SEO settings. I suggest you actually use the SEO settings which help promote visibility on search engines, okay? But before we proceed, let me show you what our book looks like, and this is what it looks like. This is the description, and this is the cover. Once you click on the buy button, it takes you to a page where you get to make payments, and it gives this prompt that the user has not set up the payment yet. No payments are available, right? So all you need to do is come back to the home page and you will get a prompt telling you to set up your payment. You click on set up payments, all right, and connect with either PayPal or Stripe. Both payment methods are great, so choose your preferred one. Now you know how to create a landing page for your ebook at no cost and without stress, right? So you might be asking, how do you get people to buy your book? Well, using beacons has made it much easier for creators like you to sell their ebooks on multiple platforms. And I understand that the crucial part of selling digital products is marketing them, which is sending the right traffic, okay? And if you look over there, this is how much I have made so far selling digital products just this year, simply by sending traffic to my products using multiple platforms. I mostly use TikTok and Pinterest for free organic traffic, and they are doing so well. Now, to start making this kind of figures, you need to add your beacons link to your bio on your social platforms, and this is the easiest way to drive traffic to the links that matter to you. As a beginner, focus on the platforms that you are more familiar with, and as you grow, you can reach out to a larger audience on other platforms. I hope you get the idea, right? And to get this done, now back to your account to create or set up the link in bio, okay? So you're going to come over, then click on link in bio. When you click on it, you will be presented with this interface, all right? And this is what your link in bio profile will potentially look like. You can even add extra blocks if you want. All these are the default blocks on the profile I showed you earlier. So click on store and you will be brought up here. This is our product. Now click on the plus icon. As you can see, we have it on our profile. And now we are good to go. Over here is my link in bio URL, or whatever you want to call its username, okay? I am going to copy and paste this link into a new tab, and this is exactly the page your buyers or fans will get to see. And when they click on the Buy Now button, they will be brought up to the interface. Now, this is where they get to learn more about your ebook and make purchases, and that is it, guys. Now, go get started by repurposing content from other platforms, and you don't need to even create this content yourself, okay? From my experience, Pinterest is a very great traffic source. And according to recent statistics, Pinterest is a largely untapped platform for marketing digital products, with over 518 million active monthly users and over 955 million monthly organic traffic. So you can't go wrong with using Pinterest to promote your digital products. All you have to do is repurpose content from TikTok and Instagram by simply downloading the videos and ensuring they are free of watermarks, okay? Then you post them with relevant titles, descriptions, and tags for Pinterest to help generate traffic. And one thing that has really helped me is using lead pages on Pinterest. And that is why the link in bio makes so much sense, because you get to house several links. These could be links to your blogs, an offer, or even an appointment, and all of that. And one thing I always tell creators is to make sure they are giving value, because this is how they get to stand out in the crowd. So I hope you find this tutorial super helpful. And if you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.